Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install scikit-learn environment with conda-forge. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your terminal or command prompt. Ensure that you have Anaconda installed on your system. If you haven't installed Anaconda yet, visit the Anaconda website and download the installer for your operating system. Once Anaconda is installed, check that it is set up correctly by typing conda version in your terminal. Next, create a new conda environment for your scikit-learn installation. Use the command conda create name myenv python equals 3.8 to create an environment named myenv with Python version 3.8. You can replace myenv with any name you prefer for your environment. Once the environment is created, activate it by running conda activate myenv. With your environment activated, you are ready to install scikit-learn. To do this, use the command conda install conda-forge scikit-learn. This command specifies that you want to install scikit-learn. The installation process will begin, and you may need to confirm the download of necessary packages. After the installation completes, you can verify that scikit-learn is correctly installed. Launch Python by typing Python in your terminal. Once in the Python prompt, type import scikit-learn and press enter. If no error message appears, scikit-learn has been successfully installed. To exit the Python prompt, type exit and hit enter. You can deactivate your conda environment at any time by typing conda deactivate. Congratulations on you are now ready to start using scikit-learn for your machine learning projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.